Commander, I am accessing the array tower's short-range scanners. I have located the lictor and can track it if you wish.
Yes, let's destroy that beast.
The decision is yours, Commander, but we have accomplished our mission.
Your death is here, Tyrannid.
Tactical squad.
Should be nearby. There!
And without its wounds, it heals while hidden.
Alive, brothers.
Show them fury. I am the Emperor's weapon. Under attack.
Unavenged, Cyrus. That is our way.
Duty comes before vengeance, Avitus. Anything less shames us before the Emperor.
Victory!
Let our enemies beware, for victory is ours.
Commander, the data you recovered from the astronomic array has allowed us to find a critical weakness in the Hive Fleet. The Hive Fleet is controlled by a single massive creature that sits at the center of the fleet. If we manage to destroy it, the rest of the Hive Fleet will scatter and will be an easy target for our own fleet. We now have all the components necessary to mount a major strike at the Hive Fleet invading the sector. The Litany of Fury will arrive in system in a matter of days. We will then equip our new weapons and mount an attack on the Hive ship that guides the entire Hive fleet. Not all news is good, however. Our surviving librarians say the Hive mind has become aware of our approach. It is likely to throw its most potent forces at key locations across the subsector. It remains to you to hold the sector until we arrive. Angelos out. We have located the ruling creature of a major hive, Commander. The Hive Tyrant is the vital link between the Hive Fleet in space and the organisms on the planet's surface. Eliminating the Tyrant will leave the Tyranid forces in disarray for a time, compelling them to withdraw. These are the vulnerabilities you must exploit if the sub-sector is to hold long enough for the Chapter fleet to arrive. Bring this beast down.
Drive a spike into the hive's very heart.
Well put, Avitus. But the Tyrant will not die easily. Make ready for battle. Target repositioning. Target killed. Position. Target killed. Ready. Relocating. Destroy it. There, go! Tactical Marines, get to that position, brothers. Prepare for combat. Jump to that position. The Tyranids are attacking! Done. Move on.
Here is the Tyrant Beast.
At last.
It is poisoning the ground! Clear out!
This is Adam. Standard firing mode.
The Tyranids are attacking!
Charging! Move! Amazing.
I am the Emperor's weapon, honed with fury.
Zeal and fury are rewarded with victory.
You have struck a telling blow, Commander. Legions of Tyranids are directionless without their tyrant.
The Hive will eventually produce another Hive tyrant, but it will take time.
That it will, Sergeant. And we can make good use of the time before it does. Angelos out.
Avitus and Tarkus served on Cronus, but not you, Cyrus.
No, I was assigned to train scouts for Captain Boreal's campaign in the Kaurava system.
A blight on our history.
Why so? Obviously you all know something. What happened to Captain Boreal?
The Kaurava campaign did not go well. Boreal and many others died there, including most of my scouts.
Kaurava left the chapter dangerously undermanned. If we lose our recruiting worlds now, the Blood Ravens will not survive.
Kaurava was a huge mistake. I will not speak of it again.